Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about JPMorgan Chase, which is currently hiring for their software engineer 1 role. This will be an on-site job in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and your business unit will be the corporate sector, and definitely this is a full-time role. Now, moving on to the required qualifications, capabilities, skills that they have mentioned, you need to have a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, or any other related field, and you should be having significant exposure to computer programming, to full stack application development, minimum 2 years of knowledge of full stack application development. You should be having knowledge of programming in Python, proficient or some knowledge of Tornado web framework, TypeScript, React, some good knowledge of software architecture, object oriented programming, design patterns, and some knowledge in integrating machine learning models, including LLMs, into the applications that you're developing. And if you are good at communication skills with the ability to express your approaches, your thoughts about a particular problem in an efficient manner to your team members, this will definitely be a plus to any team. So they have listed this in their required qualifications section. The ability to think critically, assessing user needs, risk and control mindset. This also has been listed in their required qualifications because definitely this is a bank. Now moving on to the preferred qualification section, it would be great if you have experience in working using large data sets, exposure to LLM integration and deployment in real world applications, strong skills in UI UX designing, and again exposure in model risk management of financial services space. This also has been listed in their preferred qualification section. So we've discussed about all the required, that is the must-haves and the good-to-haves, skill sets, capabilities. Now moving on to the hiring process that JPMC generally follows for their software engineer role off campus. So they will be having 3 rounds, interview based, for off campus hiring of software engineers. So starting with your round 1, you will be asked about your previous internship experiences and what you have worked in these internships. Like if it's an ML based internship, they'll ask you in depth about what you have done in that internship, about the tech stacks that you have used, about the different concepts involved. So after that, you will also be asked a few coding questions, might be DP related, but here you will have to explain your approach and code your approach. Now that is your round 1. Once you get selected from your round 1 to round 2, there will also be a technical interview, where again they'll be asking you about your internship projects. So some data structure based questions will be asked, where again you will have to design it, explain your approach. Once the interviewer is satisfied with your approach, they will ask you to write the code, basically code it and present it. Then after your coding will be done, you might be asked a few more concepts about data structures, like doubly linked lists, hash maps, etc. So some questions about your internships may again come. So this is how your second technical interview will be going. And after your second technical interview, if they are satisfied with your responses, they will ask you to sit for a final round, which will be with a VP from JPMC, and it won't be technical, but it will be kind of an informal chat with the VP about basically some technical concepts, but in an informal way, and about how you are fit to be an employee at JPMC, how your lookout is, whether it's matching with what they are expecting. But don't worry, this round is mostly they don't select or shortlist anymore from this round. You're already selected. So this is the hiring process that they follow for off-campus um, hiring of at JPMC SD1. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the application window in the description of my video. Go ahead and apply before the link expires. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are hiring for jobs and internships. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.